I think we are going to the moon because it's in the nature of the human being to face challenges. It's by the nature of his deep inner soul. We are required to do these things just as salmon swim upstreams. Neil Armstrong, American astronaut and the first person to set foot on the moon. And today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of this great person. A very warm morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly on the birth anniversary of Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, an aeronautical engineer and the first person to walk on the moon. He was also a naval aviator, test pilot and university professor. Let us move ahead and start our today's morning assembly by remembering God. So join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, we are Indians first and love our country. The pledge of allegiance is to instill a sense of patriotism among students. To take pledge, I would like to invite VARSHIK from class 8. Take position for pledge. After pledge, Armstrong was a strong believer in the exploration of space, and his mission experience was a tribute to his hard work and faith that the space program was something America was destined to pursue. That step of Armstrong was for humanity. And now I would like to invite Swapnil to present the thought of Neil Armstrong. Good morning to all of you. My name is Swapnil. Thought of the day is: one truth I have discovered for sure: when you believe that all things are possible and you are willing to work hard to accomplish your goals, you can achieve the next impossible dream. No dream is too high. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Swapnil, for such a nice thought. The news keeps us updated and provides important educational value too. It helps to open up our mind to new things and ideas. But in the hustle bustle of life, we do not get time to read newspaper. For today's news update, I would like to call Myra. Thank you, Myra. As we are aware that general knowledge is very important in all the competitive exams held in the country, it is important for enhancing our sense of perceiving the world and for better understanding the situation. To check and enhance our knowledge, I would like to invite SAKSHAM from class 8. Thank you, SAKSHAM, for enhancing our knowledge. When Neil Armstrong stepped down a ladder and onto the moon on July 20, 1969, the nation achieved an audacious vision. It was feat for the ages. Did you know that Armstrong was in the United States Navy and the Air Force before his time in NASA? Now I would like to invite VEER from class 8 to share few things about Neil Armstrong, American astronaut. Thank you, VEER, for sharing such valuable information about Neil Armstrong. And now you all get ready for national anthem.